everyone! I'm Momo Panda. Welcome to my classroom. Let's learn and play together.
Good morning, little baby, stretching in the sun. Mommy smiles softly, a new day's begun. Baby claps hands with a happy little cheer. Let's help Mommy everywhere, I'm right here. In the kitchen early, mixing up the dough. Baby taps the bowl, saying go, go, go. Mommy stirs gently with a wooden spoon. Baby hums a tune like a tiny cartoon. They wash little veggies in a bubbly stream. Baby splashes water like a playful dream. Mommy laughs softly, wiping tiny cheeks. Your help makes my day the happiest of weeks. Now it's time for cleaning, sweeping up the floor. Baby holds a mini broom, wanting to do more. Step, step, sweep, sweep, dancing side by side. Mommy and baby in a cleaning pride. Outside in the garden, sunshine warm and bright. Baby helps Mommy water plants just right. Sprinkle, sprinkle, droplets fall like rain. Baby giggles loudly and does it all again. They feed the little birds with crumbs so small. Baby waves hello to each one and all. Mommy ties baby's hat so it won't fly away. Together they enjoy the breezy day. At the market corner, Mommy buys some fruit. Baby points at apples in a tiny salute. They walk hand in hand through the busy lane. Baby's tiny steps like a soft refrain. Back home together, folding clothes in pairs. Baby tries copying how Mommy cares. A sock on the head, a shirt on the knee. Mommy laughs, you're as silly as can be. Evening comes slowly with a golden glow. Baby helps Mommy put toys in a row. One by one they tidy the room, chasing away the messy, messy gloom. Now Mommy and baby cuddle close and tight, reading little stories in the soft moonlight. Baby whispers softly, I help today. Mommy smiles warmly in every single way. Good night, little helper, dreams are on their way. Tomorrow we'll have another busy, busy day. Mommy and baby, a perfect team, working, laughing, loving, a beautiful dream.